Good afternoon guys, it's James here from UK Carbon Cleaning. We are in Dunsey at the moment performing a remap for a repeat customer on his BMW X3. Just also taking advantage, teaming up with his friend to have his Fiat Ducato camper van remapped as well. The Fiat Ducato camper van is sitting at 125 brake horsepower. For this vehicle it's fairly underpowered, so mile to the gallon isn't the greatest in these vehicles. We remap these up to 160 brake horsepower with an extra 80 Newton meters of torque. Just what the customer is needing for this vehicle, obviously to help. He has this vehicle fully kitted out with motocross equipment in the back, as well as obviously 600 litres of water in the tank. As I said, with this BMW X3, it's a repeat customer. He's had his Audi A5 remapped by myself. The 3 litre engine was in that one. This one is the BMW with the 2 litre engine, 150 brake horsepower. As you can see here, our battery stabiliser charge is on at the moment. This vehicle